Being a father is not just about providing, but about guiding, nurturing, and inspiring. It's about planting seeds of love, wisdom, and courage that will bloom into a beautiful legacy for generations to come. It's never easy to be a good father, but the rewards of nurturing a child to reach their full potential is nothing short of amazing. It's never too late to start playing your part in the life of your child. I promise you, it will be one of the most satisfying things you could ever do. Go ahead, if I can do it, so can you. Fatherhood plays a crucial role in shaping the well-being and development of children, families, and society as a whole. Some key importance of fatherhood include role modeling. Fathers serve as important role models for their children, providing guidance, values, and behaviors that shape their character and worldview. A positive father figure can instill confidence, resilience, and a strong sense of identity in their children. Emotional support. Fathers offer emotional support and stability to their children, helping them navigate life's challenges and develop healthy coping mechanisms. Fathers who are emotionally engaged with their children contribute to their overall mental health and well-being. Family dynamics. Fathers play a vital role in establishing and maintaining healthy family dynamics. Their presence and involvement contribute to a sense of cohesion, unity, and mutual respect within the family unit, fostering a supportive and nurturing environment for all members. Educational success. Involved fathers have been linked to better academic outcomes for their children. They provide encouragement, motivation, and support for their children's educational pursuits, leading to higher levels of academic achievement and attainment. Social development. Fathers play a crucial role in their children's social development, teaching them important social skills such as empathy, communication, and conflict resolution. Positive father-child relationships contribute to healthier peer relationships and social interactions. Economic stability. Fathers contribute to the economic stability of their families through their financial support and involvement in the workforce. Their role as providers helps ensure that their families have access to essential resources and opportunities for growth and development. Community impact. Engaged fathers have a positive impact beyond their own families, contributing to the social fabric of their communities. They serve as mentors, volunteers, and leaders, inspiring others to be actively involved in the well-being of their families and communities. Overall, the importance of fatherhood lies in its ability to nurture, guide, and empower the next generation, fostering a brighter future for individuals, families, and society as a whole. Fathers face a range of challenges in fulfilling their roles as parents, partners, and providers. These challenges include work-life balance. Balancing the demands of work and family life can be difficult, leading to stress and guilt. Societal expectations. Fathers may face pressure to conform to traditional gender roles and expectations, affecting their ability to prioritize family time. Financial pressure. Providing for a family can be financially demanding, especially with rising costs of living and economic instability. Emotional expression. Societal norms around masculinity may discourage fathers from expressing emotions or seeking support, leading to feelings of isolation. Co-parenting challenges. Fathers navigating co-parenting arrangements may encounter difficulties maintaining positive relationships with their children and partners. Workplace policies. Limited access to paternity leave and inflexible work schedules can hinder fathers' ability to be actively involved in their children's lives. Health and well-being. Neglecting personal health and well-being due to prioritizing family needs can lead to burnout and health problems for fathers. Addressing these challenges requires societal support, recognition of the importance of fatherhood, and implementation of policies that promote work-life balance and support for fathers. In summary, the value of being a father cannot be overstated. Fathers play a vital role in shaping the well-being and development of their children, families, and communities. From providing emotional support and guidance to serving as positive role models, fathers contribute to the strength and stability of their families and society as a whole. By embracing the responsibilities of fatherhood with dedication, love, and commitment, fathers can create lasting legacies and inspire future generations to thrive. If you have made it this far, you are already ahead of many. Let's join the Build Jamaica project. Help us make our nation great again. You can start by being a great dad. Until then, may the spirit of our ancestors be with you.